Picture this. It is a beautiful evening. You are cruising down the highway, the wind in your hair, your favorite song on the radio. Life is good. Then, in the blink of an eye, everything changes. A child darts onto the road. You swerve. Your tires screech and suddenly chaos. In that split second, your entire world turns upside down. Now, here is the million rupee question. Are you prepared for what comes next? Hey, I'm Jiten Modi, your personal finance strategist with over 2 decades of experience navigating the treacherous waters of insurance and financial planning. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that might seem as dry as day-old roti, but is actually the secret sauce to your financial security on the road: mandatory vehicle insurance. Now, I know what you are thinking. Come on, Jiten. Insurance is just another way for the government to squeeze money out of us hardworking folks. Trust me, I have heard it all. But stick with me, because by the end of this video, you will not only understand why insurance is mandatory, you will be thanking your lucky stars it exists. Let us break this down into 3 juicy pieces. First off, the precious wheels. That shiny metal steed you lovingly polish every Sunday. It's vulnerable. One fender bender, one overzealous speed bump, and bam, you are looking at a repair bill that could make your wallet weep. Without insurance, that is coming straight out of your pocket, my friend. Next, think about the people riding shotgun with you. Your family, your friends, maybe even that cute colleague you are trying to impress. If something goes wrong, guess who is responsible for the medical bills? That is right, it is you. And trust me, hospital bills can add up faster than your mother-in-law's complaints at a family dinner. But here is where it gets really interesting, and why the government steps in with its mandatory insurance rules. It is about the people and property outside your vehicle. Imagine you accidentally clip a pedestrian or crash into someone's shop. Suddenly, you are facing a lawsuit that could bankrupt you faster than you can say objection, Your Honor. This is where third-party insurance, the mandatory minimum, comes in like a knight in the shining armor. It covers damages you cause to others, ensuring they get compensation even if you cannot afford to pay. It is not just about protecting you, it is about protecting everyone on the road. But here is the kicker. Third-party insurance is just the tip on the iceberg. It is like bringing a knife to a gunfight. Sure, it might help, but it is really enough? That is where comprehensive insurance starts in, looking all fancy and saying, "Hold my child." Comprehensive coverage is like the deluxe thali of the insurance world. It covers everything in the third-party menu, plus damages to your own vehicle, personal accident coverage, and even some fancy add-ons like zero depreciation and engine protection. It is the difference between surviving a financial crisis and thriving despite one. Let me tell you about Rahul, a hotshot software engineer who thought he was too smart for expensive comprehensive insurance. He opted for the bare minimum third-party coverage. Fast forward to a rainy night, a slippery road, and a nasty encounter with a roadside dhaba. While his mandatory insurance covered the dhaba owner's damages, Rahul was left staring at a repair bill that added up to 3 months of his salary. Ouch! Now imagine if Rahul had comprehensive coverage. He would have walked away from that accident with nothing but a crazy story to tell at parties. Instead, he is eating instant noodles for dinner and postponing his dream vacation. But here is the million rupee question. Can you really put a price on the peace of mind? Every time you hit the road without proper insurance, you are not just breaking the law, you are playing Russian roulette with your financial future. One accident, one moment of bad luck, and you could be looking at a financial nightmare that haunts you for years. Think about it. Can you afford to pay lakhs in medical bills if you injure someone? Can you stomach the cost of replacing your car if it is totaled? Can you face the legal fees if someone decides to sue you? If you are breaking into a cold sweat just thinking about these scenarios, then congratulations. You have just realized why vehicle insurance isn't just mandatory, it is essential. But don't just take my words for it. Let's crunch some numbers. The average cost of comprehensive insurance for a mid-range car is about rupees 15,000 per year. Now compare that to the potential cost of an accident without insurance. Medical bills for serious injuries easily rupees 5 to 10 lakhs or more. Legal fees in case of a lawsuit rupees 1 lakh to 5 lakhs minimum. Repairing or replacing your vehicles rupees 2 to 10 lakhs depending on the damage. Suddenly that rupees 15,000 premium is looking like the bargain of the century, isn't it? So what should you do right now? Here is your roadmap to insurance nirvana. First, pull out your current insurance policy. Go ahead, I will wait. Second, check if it is just third party or comprehensive. If it is only third party, you are riding on a financial tightrope without a safety net. Third, look at your coverage limits. Are they enough to protect you in a worst case scenario? Fourth, consider add-ons that make sense for your lifestyle. Zero depreciation, engine protection, roadside assistance. These aren't just fancy terms. They are your financial bodyguards. But most importantly, click that link in the description and fill out our quick assessment form. Why? Because I want to personally review your coverage and make sure you aren't just meeting the legal requirements, but truly protecting your financial future. Remember, mandatory vehicle insurance isn't a burden. It's your ticket to driving with confidence. It's knowing that no matter what the road throws at you, you are covered. It is the freedom to enjoy the journey without worrying about the what ifs. I am Jiten Modi and I am on a mission to make sure no driver faces financial ruin because of an accident. Fill out that form today and let us bulletproof your coverage. Because the only thing you should be thinking about when you are on the road is where your next adventure will take you, not whether you can afford it if something goes wrong. Stay safe, stay insured, and I'll see you on the road to financial security.